Are you looking to make your color palettes faster in 2025? Today we're exploring the top AI tools to create the perfect color palettes. Whether you're designing for web, mobile, or just branding, these tools can help you streamline the process and achieve precise, cohesive color combinations faster than ever. Let's dive in. Hello, MJ here, and today we're diving into something that is truly essential: AI tools for creating color palettes in 2025. And I do want to start with one that is very well known, and that is Khroma. This tool uses AI to generate personalized color palettes based on your preferences. You can select a few colors that resonate with you, and Khroma will create palettes tailored to those choices. Think of it like an assistant who knows your aesthetic. It's simple and perfect for designers who want their palette to feel truly unique. And the best part, Khroma saves your preferences, so you'll never have to retrain it again. Unless, of course, your style changes overnight, but I'm not judging. Next, we have AI colors. And this one's a little different. It generates color palettes based on your text prompts. And yes, you can actually talk to this tool. No more wandering the color wheel in despair. Just give it a prompt like a golden sunrise over the mountains, and it will create a beautiful palette based on that description. Think of it as an artist's palette, but instead of paint, it's a collection of hues that match your vision. So if you ever get stuck creatively, try typing out a few thoughts and let AI colors help you brainstorm. We also have Huemint. It takes the guesswork out of the color combinations. It uses machine learning to create harmonious color schemes that fit your design project's context. Whether you're designing a website, an app, or branding materials, Huemint provides color recommendations that are both aesthetically pleasing and contextually appropriate. Up next, we have Color Matcher. If you're looking for something that takes the effort out of the color selection, this is the tool for you. Color Matcher provides you with unique, ready-made palettes that are already tailored for various design types, and it also extracts color from images. Just select the vibe you're going for, and it will match you with a palette that fits perfectly. Now, if you're into color grading, you'll want to check out Color.io. This tool allows you to extract color grading from any image and apply it to your own projects. Whether you're working on a landing page or fine-tuning your branding, Color.io helps you match the color tone for any image, making the color grading process much faster and easier. Let's talk now about Palettemaker, which takes a practical approach to palette testing. Once you create your color palette, you can apply it to pre-designed templates in real-world scenarios like logos, websites, any UI layouts you might have. This helps you visualize how your colors will actually look in context, which is a major time saver before you hit publish. No more blind leaps of faith. If you love gradients, Loopple is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful custom gradients. Whether you're looking for design backgrounds, for button backgrounds, or any other gradient-driven elements, Loopple uses AI to generate smooth, vibrant gradients that add depth to your designs. If you need some inspiration, Happy Hues may be your answer. This tool provides color palettes along with examples of how to apply them in real-world projects. It's also perfect for when you need a little nudge in the right direction. It's like flipping through a color guidebook, except you're not really flipping it. A browser extension that comes in very handy is Site Palette. If you ever come across a website with a color scheme that you love, and let's face it, we all have, Site Palette allows you to extract those colors and adapt them to your own projects. It's an easy way to build palettes based on designs you admire or just old client websites that lost their style guides. Then we have Huemint. It's an AI-powered color palette generator that learns color styles from images, movies, and art. It helps designers create visually harmonious color schemes by generating AI-powered palettes, extracting colors from images, and also customizing colors. So whether you're looking for personalized color combinations, text-to-color magic, or ready-to-use palettes, these tools are designed to make your design process faster and smoother than before. Which tools are you most excited to try? And if you found these tools helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.